feels ng Christmas ID plus the glow up, 'di ba? From 2004 till now, like how many years? It's 20 years. Oh my God, Sarah G! 2004, 'di ba? Siya yung main doon. Tapos ngayon, oh my, hold on guys. James Reid and Catherine. Oh, Vini! Oh my God! Parang hindi mo isipin na ito ba yung network na walang franchise, but they can provide this high quality content that generate or resonate Filipino values and Filipino stories. Sobrang galing, ABS-CBN. I love you. I'm a forever ka-familia, guys. O, di ba? Ang meme na naman, ang nasa Hope. Oo, siya talaga ang transition ng concept. Charot. Sunsilk, thank you so much. Nagpasalamat sa mga sponsor.